Community Dental Centers. Dr. Brian Wazbinski is my host here. What a terrific mission you have at this nonprofit dental center. Tell me a little bit about your commitment to caring for all.
Yeah, so MCDC, My Community Dental Centers, started in 2006, nonprofit as you said. Our focus is on improving access to care, oral health care. A big deal is focusing on the underserved, obviously, underserved populations, underserved areas. So we are your standard dental practice, provide all sorts of your standard dental care. We accept Medicaid, we accept Healthy Michigan plans, but we also accept private insurance as well. So,
talk a little bit about the services that you provide here.
So it's your bread and butter dentistry, I like to call it. Fillings, dentures, tooth extractions, cleanings, very important. A lot of people don't understand the importance of seeing your hygienist every 6 months. And from my point of view, education, really teaching and talking to my patients, taking that opportunity to really talk to them about oral health.
The importance of providing this kind of access to everyone is critical to the health of the whole being, right?
Absolutely.
What happens in our mouths is reflected elsewhere in our bodies.
That's absolutely correct. I don't know where it happened, where it was we have medical on one side and dental on the other, but really it is a whole body thing, and your oral health does play a huge role in that, so that's very important.
You provide emergency care, like access is a big part of what you do, right?
Sure.
Because these things just don't happen 9 to 5.
That's true. While we do have your standard by appointment sort of practice each day, we do try to help out, and if you have an emergency, you're having pain, you can come on in. We may not be able to provide 100% of the service that day, but we can at least take a look, squeeze you in, see what's going on, and go from there.
Get
for
you
sure.
started on
Exactly,
the path to
exactly.
better health. Okay, let's talk about, I know you serve the whole family, and that's important too.
Yes.
And let's start with the youngest, because I think starting that pattern early is so important in dental care, and I'm sure you would agree with that. So when is the starting date for a child to get in here and to see you?
When the first tooth comes in, that's a great time. And I know it seems kind of silly, you have just brand new tooth in your mouth, but really what it is about getting used to seeing us. I get it a lot when I have my older patients will come in and they'll say, you know, I never went back because as a kid I just had a terrible experience or something like that.
Yeah.
And honestly, if we can get you used to seeing us, dentistry really it's kind of boring when things are going right. You know, you take care of things, we catch it early enough, and it's all about teaching you how to make sure things aren't, you know, getting worse.
Yeah. So first tooth erupts, let's see you then. And then clear up for people, like how often should we be seeing you, even through adulthood and having certain things done? Just let's sort of lay it out for folks.
It depends. So honestly, every 6 months, that's a good schedule to be on. Sometimes though, you may have other things going on where we need to see you a little sooner. So every 3 months, depending on, I'm sure we've heard of maybe gum disease. So we like to see a little bit more. Dentistry and overall health or improving your dental care, a lot of that is preventative. So seeing you regularly, it's not just about, the dentist comes in, maybe he sees you for all of 2 minutes and you spent the most time with the hygienist. That's a good thing, because what we're really doing is trying to catch things early or prevent things from happening in the first place. So 6 months, if you get on that schedule, that's a really good schedule to be on. But honestly, even once a year is better than nothing.
All right. Well, if you are on that 6 month schedule, you want to be that way, or once a year, whatever it is that you'd like, you can make an appointment here either on the phone or on the website. And we have put all that information on our site. Go to 13onyourside.com. You'll find it there. Doctor, thanks for having us.
Thank you.